Hello everybody, and today we have another round, the homie back in town, and you already know. Is it some highs or some lows? Shoe and tell with Sam Wise. So we're just gonna cut to the chase. We got the homie ASAP featuring today some early access that we have. A lot of people are waiting for these to drop on the sneakers app, but you know, we got the connects. So let's see what's next with Sam Wise and ASAP on Shoe and Tell. Check it.
Happy SB Sunday, y'all. We got a special day. Special pair. Of all my pairs, but this is one of my favorite ones so far. Look at that box, man. You already know. It's going to be a special pair. This one's for Keith Hufnagel. You already kind of have an idea what I'm talking about. This is a collaboration.
What's that little package there?
What could it be?
That's a good point, Sam. It's actually a mystery bag, which they didn't seal mine, surprisingly enough, but it has all the different pairs that came out right now for the SB.
Wait, what?
Yeah, man. Isn't that crazy? Usually it's supposed to come in sealed, but mine didn't. You know, good for me because I don't gotta open up a package that way. I already know what it is. But to show the audience, the Keith Hufnagel, Hufnagel. There we go.
Hufnagel.
Of course, duh. But Hufnagel brand, man. That's the back alone is sick. You can see the kind of the skyline once again. It's beautiful quality, man. The SB is a different level, man. This is arguably best low top out there, man. If you're talking about quality and a average shoe for 150 below retail. Obviously, it goes a lot more than that, but
A lot more.
you gotta do what you got to if you really want it.
Do what is necessary, comrades.
Consistency and consistency will persevere through everything. But hey, on that note, man, I gotta show the other shoe too. That's a pretty cool combination, actually.
I like the back of them.
Yeah, no doubt. Sick shoe, man. I had to go through a few hours waiting for them, but they were definitely worth it. Shout outs to Cowtown for our local skate shop in Phoenix. But yeah, man, Keith forever, San Francisco SB-DUNK LOWS. Can't get much better than this, bro. I mean, you know, very rare pairs. I think there was like 50,000 production right around there, and I was lucky enough to get the San Francisco ones.
Got the spare laces.
Living in the West Coast, kind of, you know, gotta love and represent it, you know what I mean? So, what'd you say?
Spare laces there.
Yeah, spare laces are black, man. Of course, everything matching the San Francisco kind of that, Giants.
I mean, they're like
5.
reverse pandas. I mean, well, you know,
Yeah, I
SB
mean,
pandas.
higher quality for sure.
Way higher quality.
Way higher quality. So this is the old school SB2, by the way. It's not the new technology. You can tell by the bottom of it. You know what I mean? So they kind of have like, they don't have that middle guard to it, and then in the front it's not in-toe stitching. So it's a little different, a little OG style, which is understandable. It's for Keith, you know. He started in 02, so the old school skater.
02 OG.
02 OG, man. Very great skater. Came to Cali, lived in Cali and New York. He was born in New York, lived in Cali, man, and opened his first store in San Francisco in 92. That's kind of another reason why I'm all over the place with these things. Yeah, that's another reason why he loves San Francisco and New York theme with this ones.
So, best SB of the year so far?
I'd say it's at least top 3. In my opinion, it's my favorite so far, man. It's a bold statement.
So, better than the neck face.
Yeah, I gotta say, just the whole meaning behind it, Anniversary collab, Keith Hufnagel. I mean, you can't top it, man. The quality, the story, I mean, and the colorway, man. You could match this with anything. I like the neck face, but you kind of gotta be like that dark colors. This match us with anything, man. Clean, bro. These are clean. Plus, I just like kind of like the OG vibe to them. I'm not gonna lie. I like the new ones, but it's just different, you know. It's not like all the SBs have some similarities. This is just kind of out there. You know what I mean? The out there ones, I feel they're a little extra special. So
Heat on the feet.
but yeah, man. R.I.P. once again for Keith Hufnagel, the guy who made Huff, and that's basically who this is based after.
That California
Make him
love.
more legendary, Keith forever, you know, for a legendary character. Well, yeah, thanks again for having me, Sam. It's always a pleasure, man. It's one of the I can't believe I had these in hand. I had almost pinched myself, man. But yeah, God is good. God is great, man. Happy Sunday, y'all. SB Sunday, baby. Peace out, y'all.